Hello guys! Maayong gabi. Ayan. Tayo ay nakalagaw na. And syempre, hanap tayo ng malakas na signal. Ayan. So, ayan, may mga malalaking balloons at may bag. Look at that. What's up, Higala? I know my kids would love these balloons. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that's the North Wing. Ayan. There we go. Naku, ang lakas ng hangin dito sa labas. Aha. Actually guys, hanap ako ng malakas na signal. Alam niyo na, part of the job. Hanapin ang malakas na signal for the holdings. Anyways, sana po tayo pagpalain tonight. Ayan. Aha. Oh, I so love the little duck. Oh, it's not duck pala. It's family of the Angry Birds. There we go. Ayan. I'm actually going to that area right there. Back of SM Uptown. Hanap tayo ng malakas na signal for the holdings. Ito na i-touch. So, ayan, nakita ko kayo na si Blue, yung pamilya ni Angry Bird, and now we see the color red. Aha. Ayan. And there, I can see the yellow bird. It's the yellow bird. Aha. Alam mo lang ako mga anak nito. Promise. So there, naka-try na mi diha. Oh, ano? Blurred mo na siya. Ah, okay. Ngits. Guys, hapit na rin na forma ang sa likod ng building. So, mangita tayong kusog na signal. I hope we can find. Ayan, ito na si North Wing. Ito na siyang biyaan kay going tayo to the pizza Uptown Road. Ah. Guys, ano ko makita guys? Git-git na siya guys. Tiis-tiis, paminsan-minsan. Our heart is the deepest. Guys, ayun, nakita na ko si Vale. Nakita na ko si Vale. Uy, very visible si Vale. O, diba? Oh, klaro kayo si Vale. Hanap tayo ng malakas na signal for the holdings. Totohanan na i-touch. Ah, Motek. Okay. Up until here mga kamags, kimuragit ngeten sa kayang lugarens. There is no enough lightnings. That is why, oh diba? That is why my video is very darkness. Sige, bye.